Mzansi, Collins Letsoalo's situation is a reminder that when an African leader tries to change the lives of African people in such a drastic way overnight, they'll go after him. We can check in history, we can check Lumumba, he tried to help Africans and wanted to unite Africans. Now Collins Letsoalo, the Road Accident Fund CEO, he was suspended, by the way, and he was suspended because he tried to help African people. So what happened was, Road Accident Fund, as a private citizen, it's not a must for you to actually go to lawyers for you to get your road accident money. But we all know about Discovery and other insurance companies have been scamming the Road Accident Fund, because when you go to Discovery or any other lawyer trying to get your money, obviously the lawyer has to eat. They have to get a piece of the money.
Today, I'm for the taking, Chair. And they made sure. And for me, Chair, let me say this as I conclude.
Yeah, conclude.
I'm prepared to die, Chair, for the truth. I am prepared to die for taking on the likes of Discovery, the likes of Bonitas.
And the other thing is that when they go to the Road Accident Fund, they forge some of the things for you to get the money. So REF has said that enough is enough. When you have an accident, you need to go directly to the Road Accident Fund personally. You must not go to these insurance companies and lawyers. And now, since these insurance companies and lawyers are not eating anymore, they are trying to assassinate Letsoalo. That's why when an African leader tries to help African people, he gets assassinated. Even Cyril Ramaphosa, even Obo Motsepe, they are trying to help us. They do want to help us. At the end of the day, they're African. They want to see their neighborhoods where they grew up in Soweto to be better than when they were growing up. But obviously, the West and all of these guys, they don't want Africa to change drastically overnight, because they won't get the profits that they are getting right now. They won't be able to take advantage of our labor. How do we save Collins Letsoalo? Because he said it himself, he's panicking. He has no security anymore. He's been suspended as Road Accident Fund CEO. He has no money, and they are trying to assassinate him. It's about other assassination attempts. So guys, Mzansi, how do we save this man?